Imagine having wings and being able to fly, like a bird soaring across the blue sky, running your fingers through a fluffy cloud, landing to sit on the tallest building above the crowd, flying fast and free across the deep blue sea, closer to the sun than anyone could be. How about a night flight beneath the twinkling starlight, almost reaching the moon, the whole universe in sight? Oh, I wish I could do all those things and take off with a thrust of a wing. But at least I can dream, play and pretend. This is the next best thing.